that sounds good for dinner. That sounds good for dinner.
What's the one mistake almost everyone makes that secretly ruins this dish? Even if the recipe is right. Stick around till the end for the answer.
Instant Pot instructions. 1. Boil the chilies and aromatics, add guajillo, ancho, and arbol chilies to the Instant Pot. Add onion, garlic, tomatoes, and 3 cups of beef broth. Close lid and set to sauté high. Bring to a boil and simmer 10 minutes until chilies are soft. Blend the sauce, turn off the Instant Pot, carefully transfer contents to a blender. Add peppers, garlic, onion, add cumin, oregano, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper, salt, and vinegar. Blend until very smooth. Sear the chuck roast. Set Instant Pot to sauté high. Add oil and sear chuck roast on all sides until brown. Remove beef briefly. Pressure cook. Return beef to Instant Pot. Pour blended Birria sauce over the meat. Add bay leaf sand remaining broth. Meat should be mostly covered. Seal lid. Pressure cook high for 55 minutes. Natural release 15 minutes, then vent. Shred and finish. Remove beef and shred.
The answer to the question, what's the one mistake almost everyone makes that secretly ruins this dish, even if the recipe is right? The answer is, they rush it. This dish doesn't need more ingredients. It needs more patience. That extra few minutes is the difference between good and holy crap. That's amazing.
Return shredded beef to the consommé. Taste and adjust salt if needed. Grab some thick-cut Texas toast. Butter both sides of each slice, edge to edge. Don't be shy. Heat a skillet or griddle over medium heat. Place the well-buttered Texas toast in the pan. Cook 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown. Pile on the cheese to each slice of Texas toast. Oaxaca, Monterey Jack, mozzarella, or a blend. Add a generous layer of the birria beef. Top with the second slice of toasted, melted cheese bread once the cheese has infused with the birria. Slice it down the middle. That cheese pull never gets old. Ladle hot consommé into a small bowl. Garnish with cilantro and onion. Enjoy!